G'day folks, today we're going to be taking a look at an aluminum casing for your GoPro Hero 5, 6, or 7 Black. Now I've reviewed housings by Luxebell in the past, including this one here. This one here is also an aluminum frame, but it's quite a bit bulkier if you look at the two in comparison. So their new updated housing is quite a bit different. They even have a vlogging add-on you can add to the unit. This allows you to attach your GoPro microphone adapter right to the body of the frame and keeps everything organized. So let's just jump right into the video and we'll see what's new. So like I stated at the beginning of this video, I have reviewed cases from Luxebell in the past. This is the first one. I actually reviewed it a few years ago with the Hero 5. Now they're compatible with the Hero 5 Black, Hero 6 Black, and Hero 7 Black just because they all have the same form factor. These aluminum frames are really nice in the fact that it gives your GoPro a lot of protection. This thing is basically like a suit of armor for your GoPro, and it has the added benefit of having a cold shoe at the top, which makes it easy to mount microphones or lights or different accessories like that. Now the one problem with some of these aluminum frames is that they do add quite a bit of weight to your setup. So Luxebell has come up with a brand new model, and as you can see, it's kind of like a skeleton version of the original. It has a lot of cutouts and a lot of open area, but it is still made of aluminum and gives your GoPro a lot of protection. So just out of curiosity's sakes here, let's do a weight comparison. We'll put the first one on there, and you can see it is 136 grams, and the new version is 58 grams. So you can see there is a massive difference in weight there. Let's see what it is compared to the stock frame that comes with the GoPro. 27 grams. So it is a slight bit heavier, but not by much. Even just holding it in your hand, you can barely tell the difference. And some of that weight is from the UV filter that does come with it. This is not necessary. Some people like to use them, others don't. You can remove it if you don't want to use it. You also get a lens cap with the unit that can be used when the UV filter is attached and when it's taken off. At the bottom here, we have a 1/4-20 thread for a tripod. So if you prefer just to mount this on an extension pole that has a 1/4-20 or hand grip or even just a tripod, you can do so. But it does come with a little kit here, so you can add your GoPro finger mount to the bottom if you so wish. Comes with all the tools you need to attach it, little Allen wrench here. And just like that, we now have our GoPro finger mounts on the bottom. To insert a GoPro, we're just going to press that little back piece up. It comes right off. The GoPro slides right in there, and it does have a really nice tight fit, so you don't have to worry about it rattling around in there. They do come with these little kind of felt spacers. If you find it's not tight enough, you can put them on the inside. Once installed, we just slide the back door back in, and it clips right in just like that. So there you go, your GoPro's installed, and you still have full access to your door. There's a big enough opening there that you can open your door. You can remove it if you need, if you're going to be plugging it into a power bank or something. So that's kind of nice. But what's really interesting is they sell this little add-on kit, and it basically turns your frame into like a vlogging setup. It has kind of a casing here for the microphone adapter for your GoPro, and again some tools to put it all together. To use this, we have to remove the finger mounts first, and this is going to attach onto the bottom. You just take the adapter mount and it just slides over top just like that, kind of clips in, and it comes with these smaller screws and another Allen key. We're just going to screw it in, and once we're done that, you can see it does leave us a 1/4-20 at the bottom again, but I'm going to go ahead and put my finger mount back on. So just like that, I now have the finger mounts attached to the bottom. Now we can take our GoPro adapter, and these things have become very hard to come by for some reason. So what we have to do first is remove our door. Then we slide the GoPro adapter in. We can plug it in just like that. When you plug it in upside down like that, it holds it in nice and securely. If you want to plug it in like that, that just screws into the side there. That'll hold that adapter in there securely, and you don't have to worry about it coming out. From there, we can go ahead and connect a microphone like the Rode Video Micro here, or the Ceramonic. This is a little mini microphone. Nice little microphone for the size. With this little microphone, it's kind of nice because we can just actually plug it into the side there just like that, and it doesn't add a lot of extra bulk. If you're doing some vlogging, you can have the microphone facing yourself, or if you're just filming something and you want to do some commentary, you can just spin it around like that nice and easily. If you're going to use one of these shotgun style microphones, it just connects to the top there like that, and then your microphone into the port. So yeah, a nice little aluminum frame for your GoPro Hero 5, 6, and 7 Black from Luxebell. It's a nice lightweight frame that still offers some protection because of its aluminum build. I'll leave the links down below where you can go and check it out further. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.